Welcome to Finance in 50.
Welcome to Altra Federal Credit Union, where your financial journey takes center stage. Today, let's unravel the importance of credit and why it matters. Financial freedom. Altra believes that good credit opens doors to financial freedom. It allows you to qualify for better interest rates, make major purchases like homes and cars more affordable. Lower interest rates. Altra's tip is that a stronger credit score can save you thousands in interest payments, putting more money back in your pocket. Smart borrowing. Altra encourages smart borrowing. Understanding and managing your credit can help you make informed decisions, ensuring that you borrow responsibly and build a solid financial future. At Altra, we're not just about transactions, we're about your financial well-being. Discover the power of credit with Altra Federal Credit Union, where every financial milestone is within reach.
This has been Finance in 50 with Altra Federal Credit Union.